Hello everyone, so in today's tutorial I'll be sharing with you how to make rotate text animation like this as you see in here in absolutely free mode in Canva. So let's start with it. So as you can see, the animations are going and this is the ways you can use this rotate text animation. Okay, so first I will come here to elements and here I will search for gym and I want a gym image, and for this I will go to photos, click on see all and use this first image and I will just duplicate it. You will understand why I have duplicated it. I will use the BG remover here. So as you can see, the background is removed and I will just crop out some parts so that I can differentiate between the main image and the removed background image. So I will click on Ctrl A to select all the layers and just increase the size of the image and place it right here. Okay, so just cover it, some of the parts are missing, so it is covered. Now let's add the text. So I will go to text and click on add a heading and here I will write eat space train space sleep space repeat and another space. So this is the writing which I will be using, and first I will change the text color to white because we want to make it a pop out rotate text animation, and for that white helps a lot. And after that, first I will go to effects and here I will use the curve icon and I will increase it to 90 for example. Here let's see which one looks good. So I will bring it slightly above and let's decrease the size to 85. So 85 here looks good and let's make it bigger and just cover it till here. Okay, but as you can see, the image is getting in the background and we want to make it forward. So for this I will select the removed background image and right click it, go to layers and click on bring forward. But as you can see, again the text is going backward because it makes it looks unreadable. For that I will crop out some of the parts which is just covering the text here, and I will just crop out in the lower part also, and I will keep it till the barbell part. Okay, so the barbell or the dumbbell, as you can say, I will keep it till here and let's see if it is working fine or not. Let's do the rotation. Now I will want to do the animation of the rotation. For that I will go to animate and I will scroll down all the way down to rotate here, and you can increase this or decrease the speed. You can change the clockwise or the anti-clockwise motion, whatever you want, but I am keeping it in this clockwise motion so that you can understand it in a better way. So this one is done. Okay, so the animation looks good, but if you want to make it more cool or more better, you can just go to effects here again and you can just add some neon glow, you can decrease the intensity or increase the intensity, you can check, or use some differentiator, like you can go for some outline effect. Whatever you want, it will look good in every situation. And I hope you learned something out of it from this tutorial, and if you learned something out of it, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you.